A report from the National Police Service reveals that at least 97 women have fallen victim to femicide and gender-based violence in the past 3 months. In response to this alarming trend, Chief Justice Koome has now called on Kenyans to speak out and break the silence that enables these acts to go unchecked.
I call upon all law enforcement agencies in the justice sector, social services and civil society organizations to intensify our vigilance and protective measures. Police officers, community leaders, Nyumba Koome organizations, and all of our citizens must join hands to work together to ensure that our girls and women are safe in their homes. They are safe in their schools. They are safe in their workplaces.
The State Department for Gender and Affirmative Action has further reiterated its commitment to work alongside law enforcement to implement swift measures to tackle the issue. During a stakeholder meeting advocating for women's justice, Gender Principal Secretary Anne Wangombe emphasized the critical role of community-based organizations in enhancing civic education to combat gender-based violence at the grassroots level.
Religious leaders. We know for sure that about 70% go to church or to mosques. And if there's one person who is believed, it is the priest or the preacher or the sheikh, I don't know what they are called, their word is law. It is the gospel truth. I'm asking them, spare at least 5 minutes only to address GBV and femicide.
The Principal Secretary also called on the government to allocate additional funding to the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, which supports women's groups within local communities.
At the State Department where I am, we have National Government Affirmative Action Fund. It is a saga. Money is channeled through that fund, which is meant to help groups of women come up with various, businesses and basically empowering women and groups, particularly the marginalized groups. I am sure you've had your women-leds in your counties assisting various groups. That money is from the government and it is meant for empowerment.
This push for increased support aligns with the gender experts' emphasis on the necessity of involving men in discussions about gender issues and femicide, recognizing their participation as crucial to effectively addressing these challenges. These developments pave the way for the upcoming 16 days of activism against gender-based violence, which aims to raise awareness and drive efforts to eliminate GBV across the society. Gertrude Burgay, K24 TV.